So I just posted a couple of new videos on Peak Design's new outdoor line of products. One on their new outdoor backpack, one on their new outdoor sling. These are the new Ultralight outdoor packing cubes, or Ultralight packing cubes from Peak Design. And while they are different from the older packing cubes that I absolutely love, these go well in hand with the outdoor line of bags that they brought out. So let's showcase the new Ultralight packing cubes from Peak Design. Welcome back to techgooch, and today we're going through these. These are the new packing cubes from Peak Design. This is their new Ultralight series to go with their new outdoor series of packs and bags. Now, I have been using Peak Design packing cubes specifically for luggage for years, since that's when they brought them out. And they are still my favorite packing cubes. Absolutely love them. They're well thought out, they're well designed, and the fabric and materials are built for a lifetime of use. That doesn't change with these. Now, they do offer the outdoor type Ultralight packing cubes in two different fabrics. This is the TerraShell weather resistant version. They also have a mesh, which you can actually see through, so it actually is not weather resistant, right? But definitely allows air to escape and pack a little bit more than these do, because these are, well, these are weather tight. I wouldn't say weatherproof, but definitely weather resistant. They do come in, and I should say both fabrics come in 3 different sizes. This is the extra, extra small, the extra small, and the small. So that kind of tells me maybe they're gonna be working on 2 other sizes in the future, but that's what we're coming in with. These is extra, extra small, and small. And these can be used for a whole series of usage. Now, right now I just have towels in them just to show the bulk and to give an idea of the size. In all reality, they're not just for packing clothing and stuff like that. You could use this to pack your, a small cook kit or your snacks or your food or whatever have you. There is a lot of capability and possibility with these, and having the 3 different options and sizes makes it really, really handy. Now, they also have another point, and that is with these attachment points you can see over here. These small ones on either side, as well as these 2 kind of right here. And that comes down to, if you already own a Peak Design product, you probably have one of these. So I just grabbed the smaller one that I have from my the new Peak Design outdoor sling. But you have these, webbing straps. And essentially what they do is they help convert this bag, if I pop that over there, pop that over there, into, and kind of puts a carrying handle on it, right? These come in different lengths depending on the bag, and they make longer ones. So essentially you can make this into a small sling bag, and so you could carry it around with you if necessary. So it has those capabilities, those possibilities with these little extra tie-on loops. Same thing goes, you can do, using the same things, strap this to the outside of a pack so it can't go anywhere. Yeah, you can strap it here or put it down into a thing, but these attachment points give you flexibility of mounting points to make sure that these things don't move on you if you actually do mount them to the outside of the pack. So just how big are these? And obviously looking at anything on a video feed is one thing. This little extra, extra small is a 1 liter in volume. The extra small is 2.5 liters in volume. And the small is a 10 liter in volume capacity. So that's what you're looking at for these 3 packing cubes. So right now, all 3 of these are available through Peak Design's Kickstarter page. Because you're early on, you do get a discount on them. So retail on this is $15, $20, and $25 for each one of these. If you wanted to buy them today, however, you can get each of these for 20% of a discount. So I think it's 12, 16, and 20, I think is what the actual discount comes down to. So that's what you can do right now. If you're interested in any of the Ultralight, or to be honest, the entire outdoor lineup of products from Peak Design, I highly recommend checking out their Kickstarter page. There's 13 days left from the day this video is posting. So we're running down to the end of the video, or end of the Kickstarter campaign. I'm a huge Peak Design fan. I've been using their products for a very long time. I've received some for review. In this case, they sent me these to check out. I purchased about just as many, if not more, on my own. I'm a huge fan of their products. I think they make some of the best bags on the market, and it's great to see them get into the outdoor lineup of products because I'm a huge outdoor enthusiast too. I have a camping channel, which I'm also going to feature a video on these products as well. But to get these out there, you know, I haven't used these in the wild, actually packing them yet, so this isn't really a review, but I have to get this out there to show you these products so that you can check it out on the Kickstarter page, and if you are interested, get a discount on them now while you can. So that said, guys, that is the new Peak Design Ultralight packing cubes. I think they're pretty nice. I'd also like to see the mesh series of the bag, because obviously if you're going to jam it into a waterproof backpack anyway, do you really need it to be also weather resistant? But at the same time, with the Terra Shell, you get that extra layer of protection. So if you put your clothing or whichever in this, you know it's good, or food for that matter. You know it's got an extra layer of that water resistance already built into it. So that's the Ultralight packing cubes. Thank you for checking to the end of this video or watching. I will put a link at the top of the description directly to their Kickstarter page so you can check it out there. Peak Design, keep bringing out awesome products. I love you. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.